Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to solve the problem LeetCode 189 rotate array. So the problem states, given an array of numbers, rotate the array to the right by k steps, where k is the non-negative number, right? So the problem states we are given a number k. So let's say it's 2, and let's take some numbers in the array. Right? So we need to move this array to the right by k steps, right? So if we move it by one step, the array would look something like this. So 5 comes to the first index, all the numbers will shift to the right, 2, 3, 4. So this is my first movement to the right. So I need to move one more step, right? So it becomes 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. So this is my value after the second movement, right? So after k equal to 2, my array will look something like this. So this will be the answer. I'm going to explain you two approaches of solving this problem. One approach is using extra space and the other one is using no extra space. We can do it in place itself. So let's start with using extra space. So to solve this, so we will be having an extra integer, maybe extra array. So let's take an extra array and we will have an existing array which will have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and k will be 3. So if my k is 3, I need to move 1 towards right, k steps right. So 1 comes 1, 2, 3. 1 should come here, right? So how will I get my 1 here? So we can use an algorithm which says I plus k percentile n. So n will be the total length of the array. So let's take this example for better understanding. So the total length of the array is 5, right? So if we have a number which is greater than 5, let's say 6, if we divide 6 by 5, the remainder will always be less than 5, right? So take any number. Let's take 10. If we divide 10 by 5, we will get the remainder 0. If we divide 11 by 5, we get the remainder 1, right? So in the same way, we will solve this problem. Here, I have 0. I is 0. Let's say I is 0. If we divide I by 5, I still get 0. So the first value will still stay at 0. But if we take the k value with it, so I is 0 plus k, what happens? This becomes 3, right? So 3 divided by 5 will give me 3, right? So this one will be moved to the third index. So 1 will go here. In the same way, 2 will go to the fourth index. Yeah. Now let's check. Where will my 3 go? Right? So I will be 2. K is 5, right? K is 3, right? So 3 plus 2 is 5. If we do, if we divide by 5, the the remainder is 0, right? So the value 3 will go to the first index, that means 0. So 3 comes here. So where does 4 goes? Same thing. 3 plus 3, which is 6. 6 percentile 5 is 1. It will go to the first index. So 4 comes here. In the same way, 5 comes here. So we got the final array, right? We got the answer. So this is one way of solving the problem. And let's use no extra space and try that approach as well. No extra space. So this is very pretty simple. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's take K3 itself. What we will do first, we swap the array, right? So we swap the array. It becomes 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct? Now K is 3, right? That means only the first three elements should be swapped. So let's swap these three elements first. Now it becomes 3, 4, 5. So this 2, 1 will stay as it is. Correct? Now let's swap this as well. Now let's swap 2 and 1. Now what happens? 3, 4, 5, 1 and 2. And that's it. We got the answer. So this is our answer. 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. And as you can see, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. So this is our approach. We can easily solve this with using three while loops. So this is one while loop, this is one while loop, and this is one while loop. So by using three while loops, we can solve this. And the time complexity is O of n for both the cases, and the space complexity for the second approach. So the space complexity is O of 1 because we are not using any extra space. And for the first approach, the space complexity will be O of n because we are storing the value in an extra array. So yeah, so I really encourage you all to code this yourself. I'm not going to share any code. And if you did understand this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.